Trying to do the shock replacement on the back of the trunk. Um, yeah, it's a pain in the butt. That's the first one. Let's see, where did I put that second one? Well, both of them look like hell when I freaking was done. But basically what you want to do is, here, I'll go ahead and show you on this side. You want to cut it to where you can get this side. This is where a dremel comes in real handy. If you don't have one, you should get one for this. Basically, once you get that first like pie part cut out, you're going to take the shock up like this, and you either want to grab yourself a some channel locks or something, because what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab a hold of the head and have it twist towards you like this, and it should pop right off right after you're done doing that. That's for anybody that's having issues. Also, when you put these new units in, if you got the one from Rav Performance like I did, I mainly got these. Yeah, they're a little bit pricey, but at least I don't have to buy the hardware and all that crap anymore. All I need to do is buy the shocks in the future. So that is kind of a trade-off. I don't have to go and try to find all this hardware, which is worth it to me, especially since the shocks alone can well, you can buy the cheap Chinese one if you want, but yeah, when you put these on, pay attention to the bracket. As you can tell, one hole is closer to the other, just like it is up on your mount. And what you're going to want to do is make sure that you line this up and then tighten the shocks. These shocks automatically come really loose, so you just have to remember to screw them down once you have them lined up, and that's about it.